Hey there, in this video lesson, I'm going to show you really quickly how to edit any of the text styles within any of my Framer templates. So let's get started. Okay, so I have Framer open with one of my templates and I'm going to show you how to edit text styles. So we go over to the left panel here and click Assets. My templates will have a bunch of styles already predefined so that you can go ahead and change them. So here we have text styles, we have styles for links as well as the colors. So first thing I want to do is let's just go over to large heading. And let's just say we want to change the font of this. You'll notice that it changes everything that uses this style. Now, there may be some instances where I don't have a style included. Like for example, this heading for the website is actually using a style within Framer that allows it to fit the entire width of the browser. And so that's something that's unique for this template specifically. And if you want to go and change that, you could just do this in this. You could just do that in the right side panel here. And let's go ahead and change another heading. So let's change, let's say the subtitle here of these projects. Let's change this to Archivo or something like that. And again, it just makes it really easy and it'll apply to other pages that are using that style as well. You just do it here once and it'll change across the site. And you also have your colors here. So if I wanted to change the text color, this is really cool. I could do that. And then let's just say we wanted to make the background something brown like that. And again, that'll translate over to the rest of the website as well. One more thing I want to cover within editing text styles is this concept of breakpoints for your text styles. So if I go over here to assets and I click any of the styles that I have set already within this template, at the top you'll see all the settings including the font, text color, and any of the other options that we have. And below that section is what there is called breakpoints. And so this is pertaining to the font size at the different widths of your browser. And so if I go over to large heading, actually I'm going to go over to medium because I know we use that a lot. And if I start to change this, you'll see it only changes on the desktop breakpoint. That's because we have our minimum width set to 1201. And so anything below that would then go over to our medium breakpoint font size. So if I change that now, that's going to go ahead and start changing things here. There you have it. That is a quick lesson on editing text styles within any of my Framer templates. If you have any questions, you can email me or you can message me on Slack. I hope you found this helpful and have a great day.